all Garo Cook Comf Helpers Association apo ka jalam jangka smiti jakmi sakma kum ka presiden bat ka Malten Moment kum ka general secretary kilawan syahmat menyasnok tilang bat ka Union of Cook Comf Helper PM Poshan Meghalaya Shillong Maman Kyrshan ke jingdawa saka suha preng ye ke jing e ke no shat jasni ha ke school ke bedon ka jalam Meghalaya bat ka transit tilam igi jongkari India kini ke jalan kalong ka atwa trip ta ubnai ha William naga ya kan ke jalang la penya dau Paul di sangma ha ka bedon ru ki cook Kiba marjan bat ki William Nagar hakan di kejalan ki ko kiladon kembah terus pangori ai bat dap reng ini kembah lais pa andro fungot tam ki dei kini ki kambak ki ngi lam ki district ki baper ayo ya ke jingkran na advisor urapan sothu alor ki man baka UCCH PM Poshan kalawan syahmat man kerpat na kasakar ka kentup ya ke jepun ki ya ki honorarium ke maternity leave ke jingsiu ke mamala ubnai ke LPG haman laki kamrashat bat sothu uru ki kam ke baka union kladai menteri baro shikata.
And from here, I request you all the cook come helper. The majority of you are the women. I request, I appeal to you. Don't sit, don't work silently, no more part-time. It's high time, you the women, you the daily minimum wages workers, and with the male counterpart, we have to speak out, raise our voice, raise our words. Go and talk to your head teacher, entire Garo Hills, speak out to the media, demand from the Prime Minister. We have been contribute to the peace and development of Garo Hills and the Northeast region through this food which we prepare on a daily basis in all the school of Garo Hills and the Northeast region. Voice. Because now is the chance, is a time for you the women along with us will work unitedly. If Prime Minister Narendra Modi will not do it this time before election, we have to demand from all the candidates who are going to contest the MP election, from Garo Hills, from Meghalaya, from Shillong, from Northeast region, that take our issues. If you win, take, otherwise we will not vote for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you going to voice your words? Are you going to raise your words? I have to bow down to you, all the cook come helper. Because of you, Garo Hills, Meghalaya, Northeast region had become, peace had come into our mind. Understanding had come in the mind of the officer in the secretariat, in the PM office. Because your contribution, we, the government, understand the value of being a mother, of being a woman. The state government enhanced the honorarium from 100 to 1,100. It's not the government who do it. Yes, we agree it's the government, but you know what? We struggle, we fight, we sleep on the road, we put an indefinite hunger strike, we fight. From 2019 onwards, almost 3 years we fight with the state government. Then the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, your very own son, you produce him from this Garo Hills. Under his leadership, he enhanced the honorarium. Now, we have to fight again so that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will enhance, increase the honorarium from Union government share. So we have to fight of demanding, request the government. So that's only keep on working, keep on serving. Let Meghalaya now, from today, this very moment, let Meghalaya, let Prime Minister know that we have a meeting today here in William Nagar for the Garo Hills for Meghalaya. The Cook Come Helper PM Poshan is unite today. So for that only, thank you. May your service produce more officers, more IES, more IPS, more doctor, more responsible citizen of Meghalaya and Garo Hills. So thank you for you all, the women, the mothers, the fathers, who give your service voluntarily for the cause of humankind, for the cause of humanity. So thank you, Mithela. God bless you all.